the stuff that you wanted to send in the email. Oh, you're doing it on bit paper. Is that what you do?
No. I'm making it in a Google Doc. Like I'm writing the
Oh, okay.
information that I know in a Google Doc.
Okay, got it. Got it. Doo, 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 doo. So when your school starts in January, what's the first thing that comes up
What do you mean the first thing that comes up?
as far as the exam goes, or the quizzes, or whatever?
Oh, well, physics exam January 15th.
And that would be, and that's the unit exam.
Unit exam.
So that would be like the spring and the oscillatory stuff. Okay, so unit exam on January 15th. Okay, what else?
For physics, if we go back to school, then we're gonna have a chem exam on titration.
When?
January 14th.
14th, but nothing before 14th though.
No, because we go back to school on 11th, so they're not gonna just pull up an exam, like they're gonna have to review.
Oh, what if you don't go back to school?
Oh, then they're not gonna have the chem test, but we'll have the physics.
Why wouldn't you? What difference does it make?
Oh, the chem teacher, she's paranoid about us from cheating.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, also our math teacher, the math teacher didn't reply to me.
Okay.
For my overall average, and she didn't email us our math exam marks.
Why?
We don't know, and we're all like, I think she caught us cheating or something.
Well, you guys didn't cheat this time, did you?
But some kids did.
And there's only like.
You know, on number 5, some kids copied this other girl's, but she got it wrong.
Oh, crap.
Like, suspicious.
Yeah, man. Like all 5 kids get the same question wrong, and the funny thing is that they all get it wrong the same way. And you only have like 10 students in your class, so it's easy to find out.
Exactly.
Like if you had like 50 students.
That's why I didn't copy the girl, because she sent her things and I looked at it and I was just like writing down the chart and writing what she had, and I'm like, you wrote the DRT thing wrong. So like, if we just typed it out, you wrote your DRT thing wrong, it's supposed to be like this, that.
And why didn't you fix it then when you told her?
No, I did it, and then I fixed mine, and then I did mine my own way, but I got the wrong answer because I didn't write it down.
Oh, yeah, right.
And then she looks after the test, she's like, no, I did it right, and I'm like, no, who did it? And all the kids are like, you didn't do it right, you made us get it wrong.
See, that's a responsibility you take. If you let people copy off of your work, if you get it right, great, but if you don't, then they all hate you. They're like, what? Why would you do that?
I turned my caps lock on and I'm just, no, listen to me.
Listen to
You can start with the thing if you want. I'm just writing the email.
Okay, good. Okay. Alright, so let's see where we start today. Alright, so we have titrant, we have sample, we have indicator, we have the end point, we have the equivalence point, we have the titration curve, we have the pH graph, and then okay, that, then that. Okay, alright. Strong strong. Strong with the strong. Oh, I see. I see, I see. Okay, weak is strong, strong. Weak is strong, weak. Okay. So weak and weak. And then all protect. And then
Okay, I sent the email. I wrote like an explanation kind of thing,
okay.
and then I gave a PDF with the information that I have.
Good. Okay. So let's do some of this stuff. I'm just still going through the document to see what is everything that we need to do here. No third PH endpoint is apparent. That's good. General rule. Initial pH when access of titration is added. Okay, last point. Choosing acid base indicator. pKa. Okay. K is the ionization constant for the acid from acid base indicator. The value K are given in the acid base table. Okay. So then you find that. Okay. The pH at the transition point is 9.89. Okay. And then some questions. It's okay. Okay. Alright. Well, you get the idea. Okay, so first things first. Are you on a bit paper?
Yeah.
Oh, before I do that, let me forward that email to her right now. Take home exam portal. That's the one, right? Take home exam portal? You wrote all that while you were talking to me? Actually, where'd you go?
I wrote the email, not the. I'm here.
Okay. Oh, you wrote the email.
Sorry, my Wi-Fi is acting up. I wrote the email, but the notes I just copy and pasted.
Got it. And the note is the one you're referring to in the email, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me forward that right away. Please review this and let me know. Let me know if you're able to help. And I know she is, but I'm gonna ask her anyway. Okay, very good. So, okay, so on the, okay. Yeah, titration. Okay, so let's go over some of the basic terms. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is where's my pen? What is this? Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Why is my pen frozen? Maybe I'll do it again. Yeah, well, that's that. Oh, maybe I pushed the button. That's why it's pressing. Maybe I push this button. Oh, maybe this is not the pen at all. Oh, I'm using the wrong pen. That's why. There we go. I'm back. Okay, so let's just say that you have a beaker, and let's just say in the beaker you have HCl. Okay. Now, let's just say that you have a burette. So, see if I can make it. You have seen a burette in real life, right?
Yeah, we've done the experiments.
Okay. I mean, not a very good drawing, but you get the idea, and it's got this scale. Okay, so that's the burette, and the burette has, let's just say the burette has NaOH. Okay? So HCl is in a beaker, and NaOH is in burette. So what's the sample, and what's the titrant?
That's the titrant, that's the sample.
Exactly. So the
I
sample,
guess that.
that's a very good guess. So those are the two terms that you need to be familiar with. So titrant is something that is typically of no concentration, okay? And sample is something that you want to find the concentration of, okay? Usually, typically. Not always true, but typical, like a typical titration. The sample is what you want to find out, okay? You want to find out. So somebody gave you a sample in a beaker and says, could you please find out the concentration of this HCl solution? You're like, yeah, no problem. And then you'll put NaOH in the burette, and of course the NaOH has a known concentration, and you put that in the burette and you start mixing in a sample solution. So the NaOH in the burette is called the titrant, and HCl in the beaker is called the sample. Now, so those are the two things. Okay, then what happens? So now let me try to go in a little bit more detail here. Okay, let me try to do this diagram.